Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Exness trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Exness trading app on your device, and from the homepage, tap on the sign in button, or you can tap on Google if you have created your account using your Google account. Now from the sign in page, you will just need to enter your email address and your password. After typing in both your credentials, click on the sign in button, and now you can set up your new PIN code or passcode for your app. Enter your desired passcode and then type it in once again for confirmation. And now you will need to provide your biometrics, and this will log you in to your existing account right away. And if your account is already verified, you can start making your trades and deposits right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Exness trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.